This month on the Rogers Report, robots. Dr. MAYYAS, tell us a little bit more about the lab that we're in today.
We will have here a very high-tech laboratory. It's consisting of different robotics equipment that found in industry. We have 3 required co-op as of today. Students who graduate immediately find job placement. So we'll give you a preview of some of our existing robots in action, and also some of the collaboration that we are having with the industry in developing some solution they needed.
Who's going to tell me a little bit more about this autonomous robot that we have here in front of me?
It comes standard with a lot of different sensors, but the ones that we've made the most use of have been distance sensors, inductive sensors, and a vision system for tracking color segments. Right now we're using it for an industrial style problem in material handling.
Well, one of the things that I took away from the Navy was some leadership experience. Because of this program and the role I have, I get to actually interact with people and help either bring them up to my level or help them teach me something that I didn't know. And I get that sense of community. So this is my group's senior design project. This is a simple material handling system. We're going to send an object down the conveyor. The sensor is going to detect it, and it'll automatically pop up and bring it over to the other conveyor. Once it reaches the second sensor, this conveyor will stop, and then this one will turn on once I remove the object, a lot like what you would see in a factory.
I am operating a robot. Okay, so I'm about to pick this up. Whoops, whoops, whoops.
Z.
Whoa, there it is, Z.
Yeah.
Whoops. And so why did you choose Bowling Green?
Well, the program is really good, and we do have really experienced faculty like Dr. MOHAMMAD, and the program structure is really good. So this is mainly used in manufacturing industries where we need to pick up a very micro level to the macro level objects.
And tell me why Bowling Green? What did you find at BGSU?
This particular program is helping me, it will help me in diversity. I can work anywhere, in any part of the world and any companies.
So maybe this is something I can do. Is it a single button I push?
Yeah, you just need to press the start button.
Oh, this is easy.
The program we are doing right now is really cool because most of the companies now have like an automated environment. So it is really important we get to know like hands-on experience before we get a job or something so that we are prepared to work.
One of the main interests that I am trying to achieve these days is to attract more female students to the program. We just started an organization called Women in Technology to support and encourage more female students coming to the program.
We're finishing up in the Mechatronics Lab here at Bowling Green State University. You know, we are a public university driving public good. How do we do that? Making sure we have great graduate programs and undergrad programs that are allowing our students to make a difference in the world around us. Robotics are with us. This program is leading the way. I think this robot wants my microphone back. Catch you next month on the Rogers Report.